Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to enable the Show as Pop-up notifications for X Notices on the X app. If you've ever missed an important alert or want your notifications to appear more directly on your screen, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Nice and simple. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can control all of the apps and notifications on your device. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. Next, from the list of apps installed on your device, look for the X app. Tap to open it and you'll see a menu with different options related to how this app operates on your phone. Now, choose Notifications. This is the area that manages how and when notifications appear. From here, tap on Notification Categories. This option allows you to fine-tune the different types of alerts the app sends out. Within the notification categories, search for X Notices. These may be general updates or specific alerts depending on how the app labels them. Go ahead and tap on it. Finally, you'll see the option called Show as Pop-up. Simply toggle it on. Once you've done this, notifications from X Notices will now pop up right on your screen instead of quietly sitting in the background. This way, you won't overlook anything important. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Show as Pop-up notifications for X Notices on the X app. By following these steps, you're making sure that any future notifications will be clearly displayed and easy to notice in real time. If you find this helpful, you might also want to explore other notification categories within the same menu. You can customize them the same way, turning pop-ups on or off depending on what's most important for you. Thanks for tuning in.